The body. Second paragraph. Mention one or two of your qualifications that you believe will be of greatest interest to the organization. Slanting remarks to their point of view. Tell why you are particularly interested in the employer, location, or type of work. If you have had related experience or specialized training, be sure to point out. Refer to the reader that closed application form, resume, or the fact that the XYZ Career Center has your full credential on file and will send them to provide additional information concerning your background and interests. Make sure to explicitly express the intention to hire you.
Sige, mention about your qualification. At this point in time, anong qualification i-mention mo? Kalagay ko lang.
Why?
Siyempre, hindi ka mag-apply as manager. Hindi ka qualified. Hindi nga ma-stress. Hindi ka matapos. Jollibee, nag-amak doon,
Ayaw sa mga student.
ano kanina ang kagans nila, ang kawag sa ila. Pero mga estudyante, ako yung previous years, ganun ako sa Jollibee. Pero hindi ko working student.
Part-time job.
Part-time job. Ano kanina trabaho sa Jollibee?
Mahugas tinggal.
Service to. Ang mga qualifications. Wala ka rin prior leadership position, leadership. Require discipline, commitment, skill, hardworking. So, may academic, achievement sa yamin, acceptance sa work. Kaya naman honor, pagsunod ka, hindi na ka. Sila, next group. Third paragraph. Close by making a request for an opportunity to talk with our employer. Indicate that we will follow up with a phone call or email about the possibility of a meeting. If your request is not concerning an interview, but more information about the organizations and other job openings. You can request that information be sent electronically. Prior to requesting this information, make sure it is not readily available or Sige, Lucy, I am very willing to come for an interview. I have no resume and look forward to discussing the information. Thank you for your time and collaboration. Complementary notes of signature, centrally, handwritten, or signature or printed. Nakabila o, printed na. Pero sila based sa sa abroad, wala sila nag-print. Pero sa atin, pinaprint sa atin. Sige. Keep on your cell phone and start writing your application data. Ang may cellphone, zero na tayo ang point. Nag-stand point.
Hi guys.